Nature is everywhere. Nature is everywhere, isn't it? Nature is everywhere you go. Everything that lives and grows is nature. Animals are big and small. Nature is plants that grow so tall. Nature is beautiful in everywhere. Wonderful, exciting, and needs our care. So listen, learn, and do your part to keep nature beautiful forever. Butterflies fluttering around, cannas moving slowly across the subtle ways, kids laughing and rocking, bugs flying, ducks fighting, families grilling, couples hold hand. This is relaxation. This is nature. This is nature, isn't it? This is nature.